They don't seem to want us around.
Mom.
What if everything you love,
Hey, what's the occasion?
You.
everything you know,
I love you.
everything you believe in never happened?
Why'd you change the picture?
I didn't change anything.
You never had a son.
Stop it! Why are you doing this? Jim,
I'm sorry, do we know each other?
it's me.
Who are you?
Remember me?
We have never met.
Lauren and Sam were friends.
I never had a kid.
This was your daughter's room.
I remember.
I need you to start believing me. Who could erase our lives?
They've been doing it for years. Maybe forever.
Who could do that? Please tell me.
I can't. They are listening.
The Forgotten.
You're in the house with us.
Oh my God.